Hey everyone. Today we are making a leftovers quiche. This quiche recipe can be used to use up any leftovers you might have. So as you can see, these are some of the ingredients we're going to be using here today, but you can check out my description for the full recipe on the base quiche and you can add any leftovers that you have. So I'm using up some old potatoes I have to use up and an onion and a few other things here as well. We're going to start off with our eggs. That is the base to the recipe, and you're going to just put your eggs into a bowl and you're going to add some milk and whisk it together. Now, this is going to be the base to your quiche, and you can add in so many different types of leftovers. So if you have spinach, bell peppers, onions, sausage, maybe you have ham or even ground beef, you can make into a quiche. Now, I like having quiche for breakfast, but we also have it for lunch and dinner. And oftentimes, my husband will take a whole quiche to work and he'll have that for lunch throughout the week. So, it's a great way to use up your leftovers and create something new. So, after you've done your eggs and your milk, you can add in the seasonings that you would like. And so, I've added in a few seasonings that I want here, and then I'm going to whisk it all together. And it's pretty simple to do. You're going to use a pie crust as well. I actually had a couple of pie crusts left over from Christmas that I needed to start using up. So this gave me the great idea to make a quiche, and it's something that I like to make when I have the pie crust or I have lots of leftovers. So in my case, I'm using up some potatoes that I had and I'm using an onion to give it some more flavor. So I've sauteed those here on the stove and they are ready to go. So once you have your egg mixture ready, you're going to set that aside and get your pie crust out, and then you're going to add in the ingredients to the bottom. So in my case, it would be the potatoes and the onions, and you can do cheese as well, whatever you like. So I like to use different kinds of cheeses as well with the quiche. So keep that in mind. You can use different kinds of cheeses and kind of make your own quiche however you want. So I've got everything here at the bottom. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour in my egg mixture, and I'm using up 2 pie crusts. So I'm going to try to divide this up, but essentially you do want to kind of fill your pie crust to the top and make it like really hearty and just big. But since I'm kind of dividing mine up, mine will be a little bit smaller. I'm going to keep one quiche at home for myself, and I'm going to send another one to work with my husband. So that is my plan with the quiche. So the other thing about the quiche is that it is really good to use some cheese on the top to give it some really nice color and also some taste and texture to it. So I'm going to add some cheddar cheese to mine, and I'm using some already shredded cheddar, and I just put that straight on top as you can see. And then you're going to set your oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to add in some bacon pieces, and then I'm going to put this in the oven and let it bake. So this is a great thing to do when you have guests over as well, so that you have a breakfast ready in the morning and everything is ready to go. So thank you so much for coming along for today's recipe. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will catch you on our next video.